Here is how to see your following list on Facebook. First, go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Log into your account, and then after tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen and scroll all the way down and go to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Activity Log option that is in the section of your activity. Go ahead and tap on that. In the Activity Log, tap on Activity History. So go ahead and tap on View Connections, tap on Filters, go to Categories, and select Followers or Following. And if you have followers or following on your Facebook account, you'll get the option of Manage Followers to see who you've followed and unfollowed. Then you could go ahead and exclude people who follow you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.